So, Elliot, explain what happened to this creature of God.
Well, it got run over.
Well, how did the event happen?
Well, it looked all crippled to begin with. It was like all... And so, like, okay, flashlight here. He goes and rides over there. He tries to, chase it to see if it runs away. But it flew away. And I was like, okay, what the fuck? So the car's coming. And then, okay, here's the car, here's the bird. Yeah, that's what happened.
Let's see what happened to it.
I just told you what happened.
No, but now we need visuals. Dead bird. Oh, look at its eyeball! And now it's brothers. Just off up there.
No, I don't think so.
God damn it. Run it over.
Oh, what the fuck is this guy doing?
Come on.
The next red light, I'll try kicking it over a little.
Just a little to the right. Damn
or
it.
why not towards us a little so like cars hit each other and stuff.
Like, oh god. Wait, let me get a close up on the eyeball.
You so fat.